today. So whoever takes 3 points from... All over the top for Portugal. Kind of a short corner with Fernandes. Guerrero. Little touch from Partey. But spotted. And Fernandes still waits inside the penalty. In their pre-match talk as Pereira. But here come Ghana on that far side. There's only one man in the middle. It's towards. Ghana lose out. And a great chance here for Cristiano Ronaldo. Denied by Lawrence Atazigi.
Off the shoulder.
Corner taken quickly. Deep. Ronaldo.
He just works off the blind.
No. Fernandes. Guerrero to drive it across. Chase on here. And Williams couldn't quite bring the... Cancelo. Drives. Fernandes. But it will be picked up here by Kudus. Ronaldo waiting in the middle. Felix. Towards Fernandes. Play on. Work wide by Silva. Guerrero. Picked up though on that far side. Silva. In towards Felix. Ronaldo in a real tussle. Cristiano Ronaldo. Won't count. Whistle's gone. Foul by Ronaldo. And it is not wide. They do to Silva. Fernandes. That's a foul by Salis. Fernandes with it. Oh. As always, there's Fernandes with the delivery. It was towards.
And often it'll create space.
Otavio. In towards Ronaldo. Final win against North Macedonia. Support from Bernardo Silva. Back. Rahman. Towards Fernandes. He's not going to cross. It's still in play on that far side. And eventually the decision goes the way of Ghana. Felix and Fernando in the... Guerrero on the edge of the area. Guerrero. Ronaldo again. That little touch for Otavio. Felix. Went down rather... Cancelo drives it.
Will be going in and saying more of the same. Stay disciplined, keep the distances.
3 in the penalty area if you can get that ball across. But Ronaldo waiting in the fence there. Diaz was having none of it. That's a foul, and that will be a second. Now making a run into the penalty area. And the Ronaldo. He was caught late. Numbers. Kudus. Kudus trying to get away from Ruben Neves. Kudus! And the Portuguese coach now. Ronaldo. Ghana surround the American official. It's Ronaldo. It's 1-0 Portugal. And it's a moment of World Cup history. Portugal in front. And Cristiano Ronaldo becomes the first. Nicely done by Partey. Thomas. Chance for a shot from distance with Hats, and what a shot it. Couldn't get on the end of it, but Kudus does. Kudus to pull it back across. Ayew! Ghana are back level. Andre Ayew with the equaliser. In towards Ronaldo. Felix. Oh, he's played it through. Chance for Portugal. 2-1 Portugal. João Felix restores their lead. World Cup history. Portugal in front. That might well be offside. And the ball is turned in, and the flag stays down on the far side.
It's even.
racing through on goal. It's that man again, but this time he can't find a way through. And eventually the flag is raised again. Fantino, here come Ghana. Great chance. Ayew! Oh, they've got a second. Jordan Ayew. Time is running out for Ghana, but there is still time.
Yeah, good opportunity for Portugal to rest.
Can't find a way through. Could it end 3-3 again? Lamptey. Ghana are about to make a double change. Leo. Not. Driven across. Driven in, and that was awkward for Diogo Costa. As middle, if the cross can be delivered well.
И посмотрите, что творится, как потерял мяч там Диого Коста, это осталось за кадром, но мяч так и не отправлен был в ворота. Что ж там произошло-то? Под занавес 10-й уже компенсированной минутой, теперь уже неважно, после финального свистка арбитра, под занавес 10-й уже компенсированной минутой, теперь уже неважно, после финального свистка